everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to use MathSpring in a slightly different way, and this is because you've been using MathSpring for a while now, and I'm going to show you some other tools inside of MathSpring. So first we launch Chrome and type MathSpring, and when we get to this page we click on to use MathSpring, we make our usual checks, we log in, and here we type our username or password, log in, and sometimes it might ask us if we're sure if we want to log in because we didn't log out the last time, and in this case I'm going to say yes, I'm sure I want to log in. And now it's asking me if there's anybody on my left or my right, and today there's nobody on my left and nobody on my right, so I'll hit submit. And now I have arrived at the dashboard, and I can see that my tree has grown quite a bit from day 1 to day 2, and it's telling me, welcome back, you have solved 12 problems so far, you have mastered 1 topic, you worked on 11 problems in the last session, and you also mastered 2 topics. Great. So I can move on and click start working, and if I do that, MathSpring is going to choose a topic for me. Instead, I could click on my progress and see how I'm doing in all these different topics: fractions, decimals and percents, negative numbers, expressions. I have the chance to choose a topic to work on, and in my choice I might not choose decimals and percents because I'm doing very well. Instead, I'm going to choose one that I'm not so strong at yet. So I am going to work on choose negative numbers. I have several choices here. I can click on continue, and MathSpring will choose a math problem for me. I can also click on review. Review will choose problems that I have gotten wrong before, and just those problems. I can choose challenge, but challenge will choose a very hard problem for me, and I might not be ready for that yet in this case. So I will choose to continue working on negative numbers. And I get the introduction screen. Next, you will be solving a variety of math problems involving negative numbers. Click on New Problem, and my first problem is an example. The temperature at midnight was 2 degrees Fahrenheit. At sunrise, the temperature was 5 degrees Fahrenheit lower. What was the temperature at sunrise? And I will play next step.
Let's put 2 on the number line.
Okay, play next step.
Now we move 5 places to the left of 2.
Okay, play next step.
The answer is B.
Okay, right, of course, because 2 degrees minus 5 is 5 spots to the left, which is minus 3. Okay, I have the option here to click on this or not, and click done. And now I get a math problem similar to the previous one, also about temperature. So I can start solving this, and again, remember that we have hints, examples, and videos. Sometimes you might need formulas, which are here, but not in this case. I wanted to show you that from here you can go to the progress page again by clicking on My Progress. Okay? One other possibility, another choice that you have here is, instead of clicking any of these buttons, you could go and click Learn More. This screen will give us a lot of information about negative numbers, about the problems that we have actually solved ourselves. The star means that we have solved this problem correctly just in the first shot. The H means that this problem was solved with hints, after seeing hints. The white means that these have not been tried yet, they have not been seen. and these mean that eventually they were solved, but maybe not in the first attempt. So I'll tell you a secret. These problems are sorted from the easiest one to the hardest one. So you can choose to review individual problems that are easier or harder. Say that I want to first start reviewing the easy problems because I want to make sure that at least I get this one right, which is supposed to be easy. So I'll click on it and get to it. Okay, so now I have a chance to go through this problem, click on hint, and see videos, examples, and continue with my problem solving process. Remember that you can always click on home and go back, check your tree, and then resume tutoring or go to my progress page, and at the end of the day, click on log out. Remember that, okay? Let's start working.